Storytelling, terrific insights. Have done my research. More friendly, more respectful, more funnier without lawful restrictions. Policy safe. I don't like the way you're treating me. Sometimes you don't need drama. You just need to politely say, I don't like the way you're treating me. 1. Left on read forever. Message disappear into a black hole. Reason, respect includes basic communication. 2. Talking over me. I start a sentence. You start louder sentence. Reason, everyone deserves a chance to speak. 3. Only calling when you need something. Suddenly, I'm your comrade during moving day. Reason, friendship should go both ways. 4. Taking credit for my work. I bake the cake, you accept the applause. Reason, giving credit shows honesty. 5. Constantly being late. Your 5-minute needs to own calendar. Reason, respecting time matters. 6. Ignoring my boundaries. I said maybe later, no task, plus 7 more times. Reason, healthy relationship, respect limits. 7. Making fun of everything I like. My hobbies are not auditioning for your comedy show. Reason, different interests are okay. 8. Never saying thank you. I help and the gratitude is still buffering. Reason, appreciation strengthens connections. 9. Interrupting every story. My story becomes your sequel. Reason, listening is respectful. 10. Treating me like an option. I'm plan Z after plan A. Truly fail. Reason, people value being appreciated. 11. Being negative all the time. Even the sunshine gets a bad review. Reason, constant negativity affects everyone. 12. Not keeping promises. Your promises expire faster than milk. Reason, trust depends on reliability. 13. Speaking rudely for no reason. Why we arguing with a waiter menu voice? Kindness goes a long way. 14. Assuming the worst about me. Detective mode activated without evidence. Reason, good relationships need trust. 15. Acting like respect is optional. Basic manners are not a premium subscription. Reason, mutual respect helps everyone get along. If someone treats you poorly, stay calm, stay respectful, and communicate clearly. Respect is free, but it can make a huge difference.